Compared to American notebooks, Japanese notebooks are thoughtfully designed with the customer's needs and wants in mind. They offer way more options for paper color, sheet style, and other features. Paper plays a central role in many Japanese traditions and continues to be an important part of daily life. This kind of paper culture results in some of the most innovative, user-friendly notebooks we've ever come across. To learn more about Japan's extensive paper culture, check out the video in the card above. We picked 9 of our favorite unique Japanese notebooks to share with you. Let us know in the comments if you've ever used any of these before or which you want to try. Built-in whiteboard. These convenient Gakken bright white notebooks let you take your ideas with you on the go. Besides portability, they're great for brainstorming sessions and solving math problem sets. Each notebook includes 6 to 8 whiteboard pages with clear plastic dividers to protect your writing from smudging or transferring. The dividers can even work as extra pages. The standard Write White notebooks have blank pages, while the Write White Plus notebooks feature a to-do list and graph sheets. They all come with a whiteboard marker. Innovative lay flat binding. These Kleid and Nakamura flat notebooks lay completely flat no matter which pages you have open. Most lay flat notebooks bind together bundles of sheets that are folded in half, otherwise known as signatures. Unlike other notebooks that use several sheets of paper in each signature, the Kleid and Nakamura flat notebook has signatures that consist of only one sheet of paper folded in half. This special binding method that Nakamura patented also doesn't use any sewing, so you can cleanly tear out pages. When unfolded, the double page spread can be used as an A4 size page. The notebook is filled with OK Fool's paper, high-end Japanese writing paper that's inspired by British foolscap paper. Each page has a Japanese watermark that's visible when held up to light. Standing notebook. If you've ever wanted to prop up notes or recipes, check out these Midori Plus Stand notebooks. With the help of an elastic band and notches on the front cover, they transform into handy display stands. Since the covers are made with sturdy chipboard, the notebook stays upright and stable. It comes in 2 sizes and in blank or cross-grid sheet styles. Half-size notebook. Created with students and tech-savvy workers in mind, Kokuyo half-size campus notebooks save desk space. They're ideal for note-taking on the go in tighter workspaces, like in a cafe or lecture hall. Instead of jutting out awkwardly or covering your keyboard, they fit perfectly in front of it. Like other campus notebooks, they boast smooth paper that works well with pencils and pens alike. Squishy rings. For a comfortable and convenient writing experience, you can't go wrong with Kokuyo Sooofa soft ring notebooks. Instead of metal rings that dig into your skin and get bent out of shape, they feature soft plastic rings that squish down. The front cover offers a notch for holding a pen, and the inside back cover has a pocket for storing stickers or loose notes. The Sooofa closes with an elastic band to ensure the notebook won't flap open in your backpack, protecting the pages from becoming creased. Unique layouts. Minimalist and lightweight, Laconic style notebooks cover a wide variety of sheet styles and are perfect for organization. If you're looking for an undated planner, pick up a daily, weekly, monthly, or 100 days layout. For general productivity, try the to-do list, spreadsheet, meeting notes, and Gantt chart spreads. Comforting design. Maruman Septcouleur notebooks are as pleasant to look at as they are to use. The soft covers have a satisfying matte texture to them and can resist water for a short time, so spills can be wiped off before they soak in. They're available in several stylish colors, so you can pick whichever color matches your aesthetic or personality. Inside, the 3mm graph lines are printed in an unobtrusive light gray. The paper is extra smooth, similar to Maruman's popular Namazani line of notebooks. Colored paper. Add a gentle touch of color to your writing with these charming Midori soft color notebooks. They're filled with softly colored fountain pen-friendly paper, with a subtle dot grid printed in a slightly darker shade. Gold foil and staples accent the notebook. If you prefer something more vibrant, consider Midori's color paper notebooks. They offer lined pages and covers inspired by French macarons. Black paper notebook. If black paper is more your style, Etranger de Costarica Blanc de Noir notebooks are perfect for doodling or practicing calligraphy. You can use the black sheets for creating striking cards, writing letters, or scrapbooking with metallic, glitter, pastel, or white inks. Which of these notebooks did you like best? For even more unique notebooks, make sure to watch our video on interesting Japanese notebooks in the card above. You can find all these notebooks linked in the description below and at JetPens.com, the place for pen and stationery lovers. The soft covers have a satisfying matte texture to them and can resist water for a short time, so spills can be wiped off before they soak in. They offer lined pages with covers inspired by French macarons. I'm laughing at how I sound. Macarons. Thanks for watching.